collect and publish information such as budget breakdowns and previous developments and the like to ensure that we know where our money is going to. I believe that the proper information dissemination regarding this matter should be able to open an informed discourse with the administration during information sessions such as magtanong sa media and regalo. Hopefully, this source of knowledge and awareness may mitigate the increase of our tuition fees. But should these increase be inevitable, this proper information dissemination should also aid us in maximizing what we are paying for. So in line with that, I want to be able to have a core subject manual that shall impart the desired scriptures regarding our core subjects. Through this, I wish to aid my constituents in making informed choices regarding their design and educational track. Because I believe that knowing which classes fit your desired goals is the best way of exercising our academic freedom, thus maximizing our education. Likewise, our academic freedom is a right entitled to us. So sadly, it is not maximized because not everyone knows the rights given to them. Hence, I want to create a Magna Carta Awareness Initiative. Through this, I want to be able to research the most commonly violated Magna Carta provisions and enrich such awareness. Again, my name is Kishan Dora, to be your two souls.